Ever faced a decision where your gut said one thing, but logic pulled you in another direction? We've all been there. The battle between intuition and logic shapes every choice we make. But here's the secret: mastering both is the key to making powerful, life changing decisions. So, when should you trust your instincts? And when should you rely on cold, hard logic? Let's break it down. Sometimes your gut feeling knows the answer before your brain even catches up. That's because intuition is built from years of experiences, patterns, and subconscious knowledge stored deep within your mind. Think about it. Have you ever met someone and instantly felt like you knew whether you could trust them or sensed danger before you saw any real signs? That's intuition at work. But intuition isn't magic, it's a skill. And like any skill, it can be sharpened. The more you listen to your inner voice, the stronger it becomes. So, how do you develop it? Start by pausing and paying attention to those gut feelings. Observe patterns in your past decisions. Trust the little voice inside that nudges you when something just feels right. Now, let's talk about logic, the powerhouse of critical thinking. Logic helps us break down complex problems, weigh pros and cons, and make decisions based on facts, not just feelings. When the stakes are high, like making a big financial decision or solving a technical problem, logic is your best friend. Imagine launching a business. Would you base your decisions on a random hunch? Or would you analyze market trends, study successful strategies, and build a solid plan? That's where logic shines. Logic brings structure, clarity, and certainty. But here's the catch: logic alone can sometimes hold us back from taking risks or seeing beyond the numbers. The real magic happens when intuition and logic work together. Think of them as dance partners, each bringing their own strengths to the floor. When you blend intuition, insight, with rational analysis, you unlock next level decision making power. Imagine a successful entrepreneur. They feel an opportunity before the market sees it, but they also back it up with solid research. Think about great artists. They trust their creative instincts, but they also refine their techniques through structured practice. It's not about intuition versus logic, it's about knowing when to use each one. So, how do you know which to rely on? Use logic when you need accuracy, clear evidence, or a step by step approach. Big financial decisions, technical challenges, and analytical problems. Logic wins here. Use intuition when you're navigating emotions, relationships, or creative decisions. If the data is unclear or the stakes are personal, trust your gut. The key is self awareness, knowing your strengths and weaknesses, and recognizing when to lean into intuition or when to let logic lead. Here's the bottom line: best decisions don't come from choosing one over the other, they come from using both. Start by pausing before making big decisions. Check in with both your logic and your intuition. If your gut feeling is strong, but the data doesn't support it, ask yourself, is this fear or a deeper knowing? If logic says one thing, but something still feels off, take a step back and listen to your instincts. The real secret to success: learning to balance both, so you can move through life with confidence, clarity, and unstoppable momentum. So, the next time you're at crossroads, trust your gut, but bring your brain along for the ride. That's the formula for making powerful choices. every single time. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on mastering your mind, making better decisions, and unlocking your full potential. Drop a comment below. Are you more of an intuitive thinker or a logical decision maker? Let's discuss. Turn on notifications because next time we are diving even deeper into the science of decision making.